Fuck you, asshole. He's dead. Got him? Alright. Fucking spitter, bitch. Get off of the acid. Don't walk through the acid, dude. You walked right through it. Oh my god. Oh, smoker! Smoker, 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 smoker. Oh my god. And that dummy went off by himself and got killed. What a surprise. Alright. It should be some in the shack over here, but we gotta get to it first. Right over here is where we found it before. Hell's here. Right in here in the shack. Right here, right here. Oh, you passed it, right here. Did you get it?
Let them see. No help here.
Shit, I need ammo. I'm gonna have to take the AK because I'm almost out of ammo for the shotty. Alright, it's this way. We gotta get through this building over here. Where is he going? Because he went off by himself when we were all over there doing other stuff. Oh shit. I don't know, but here comes a fucking wave. I know where to go. You gotta go this way. I don't know where that idiot's going. She's coming. She's coming straight for you. Now she's coming for me. Fuck you, bitch. I got her. Congratulations, MVP, for contributing nothing. Standing on top of a fucking silo doing absolutely nothing. That's a great team effort. Here, Boomer. There he is. I got him. I don't see any witches here, so I guess we gotta go up because there's nothing down here. Fucking jockey, I hear him. Crazy motherfucker. Because the zombies are horny. Oh, bitch.
What did you say why they always come after me?
Because they're horny.
Random guy.
Alright, I found random health over here. Boomer bile here. It's a bag of Doritos. Alright, I guess we might as well call it. What else are we gonna do? Here they come. No, I got boomer bile. I'm just gonna throw it down there. There we go. Yeah, I killed the hunter and the smoker. Spitter, spitter. I got her. I chopped her face off. Oh my god, come on, heal! Oh my god! This sucks. I was trying to heal. I had 1 health left and I died. Oh! Damn it.
I'm sorry, I was trying.
Not your fault. Not your fault.
Incoming! I'm down!
Holy shit, I saw that.
Yeah, I'm definitely gone.
No, you're alright.
I need some help!
The acid doesn't do that much when you're down.
You guys have a health pack that going?
I had one.
You had one?
Yeah, I had one. I was trying to use it and then it killed me when I was using it.
Okay, I got it.
There you go.
What the fuck? Why'd you leave me?
What an asshole.
Why would you just down and just leave me up here?
Because he's an asshole, obviously. That's why he goes ahead by himself, too.
Hey! There's a gas station!
How am I supposed to break it down now?
You probably don't.
No.
You gotta probably wait for them to get to the safe house, and then you'll just teleport to it. What else are you gonna do?
Help!
Yep. You're fucked.
Help!
Yep. Bad teammates. It's the problem with random online play. You get bad
I need
teammates.
some help! Help!
You got a smoker standing next to you anyway.
Help me!
Well, she left.
Guys, I can't
Couldn't take the idiocy of a bad team.
Oh, I need some help! Oh, I need some help!
What the fuck, these 2 idiots? What are you guys doing?
Help me!
The 2 of you are standing alone inside of the building doing nothing. Are you kidding?
I'm about to fall help! Help!
What the fuck?
Oh, I need some help! Help! Help!
Wow. Look how exciting this is. 2 idiots sitting in a fucking room doing nothing. They're both idle. Oh my god. Well, it's looking like I'm gonna quit my own fucking game. The fuck? This sounds great. Wow. This is awesome.
reload.